Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. Today in this video we will discuss about stairway lighting switch block function. Open your PLC software. On the left side scroll down and go to timer category and select stairway lighting switch block and click here. You can write the comment also. So I will write stairway lighting switch. So this is the block name. If you see, there is one input and one output. The input is, we call it as trigger. And if you see inside the block, the symbol of the block, the input is a pulse type input and output is a some pulse output. Okay. Basically, this is a off delay timer with some other additional functionality. So first take one input and one output, digital signals, one input, one output. Connect and give comment. This is my switch. This is my light. Okay. Now open the PLC hardware and download the program. Remember, we can also implement this stairway lighting switch block functionality with other blocks also, with the combination of some other blocks. This logo PLC is given by default some library functions so that we can use these blocks in our application directly. This is given for stairway lighting switch or staircase light switch with time based application. Okay, remember that. We can also use stairway lighting switch functionality using sensors. In this case, it is based on time. Now the program is downloaded. I will go to online. If you don't have the hardware with you, then do the simulation. You can also test the same logic with simulation. Okay. Now I will explain how this works. Whenever a user presses the switch input, it is a pulse type input, then the output will be on immediately. After some time, the output will be off. Okay, so we have to enter the time. As if you see, it is a off delay time. Okay, some value 15 seconds is there by default, so I am using the same. Okay, you can also change the value. Now I will press the input I1. This is my input I1. I am pressing this. Okay, the output is started. Timer is also started. After 15 seconds, again the output will be off. See, this is the functionality of off delay timer. So this is the application for stairway lighting switch. Now the stairway lighting switch block also have some other additional function. If you see, this is operating based on time. Obviously, it is not effective because if the user is not reached to another location, or if we stayed at the same location, then after some time the light will be turned off irrespective of the user position. Then it is a problem. But this application is designed based on time. Remember, if you have very less budget, if you don't have sensors with you like that, then they are going with the cheapest available option. There is no need to go to every time the best and efficient method. Okay, but obviously the best and efficient method is using sensors like entry sensor, exit sensor, or some other sensors. Based on the sensor signal, if we operate the light, it will be 100% effective. Okay, in this case we are discussing about time based. Clear? Now what we can do, we can do one warning signal. If we give one warning signal that the light is going to turn off in some 10 seconds or some 5 seconds, then the user can plan accordingly. Okay, that we can do. That functionality is given. So first to open the block. If you see, one option is the pre-warning. Just I am untick, remove the tick. Okay. If the off delay value 15 seconds, okay, if we enter the same 15 seconds in the pre-warning time, same value 15, then this pre-warning functionality is turned off. We are not using that. Okay. Let's suppose if we give the value more than the 15, then it will not take, because the warning time must be within the off delay time. Now, what I want is my complete on time is 15 seconds, right? At 10 seconds, I want to give one warning. Okay, one type of indication to the user that the time is reached, I am going to end, or the light is going to turn off. So, calculate the time here. How to calculate? Simple. Off delay time 15 value minus at what time I want to give the warning, 10 seconds. So 15 minus 10. The result is 5. So enter 5 here. So that means at 10 seconds the warning is started. What type of warning? Here we can give one blinking, one light flash. This is the warning type we can give. There is no need to use another light or another output or another device to give the warning, right? We are using the same light for the warning signal. So at 10 seconds, I am turning off the light, and at 12 seconds, I want to turn on the light again. So what is the time gap? 10 to 12, 12 minus 10, 2. So when the input is given, the output will be started, the output will be turned on. Okay, at 10 seconds, the light will be turned off. Again, at 12 seconds, the light will be turned on. This is the functionality. Like this, we are giving the warning signal. Okay, now we will test the logic. Now I will press the input. See, the lamp is start, light is on, timer started, timer reaches 10, light will be off, timer reaches 12, light will be on. Like this, we can give one blink or one time flash. Then the user can understand that the light is going to turn off. Our maximum time is 15 seconds. So at 15 seconds, again light will be off. Let's suppose I will increase the off delay value 20 seconds. I want to give one warning at 12 seconds. So 20 minus 12, how much? 8. Again at 14 second or 15 seconds, again I want to turn it on. So I will enter 3. Okay. Again test. So press the input. Timer started, light is on. At 12 seconds it will be off. At 15 seconds again it will be on. It will complete the remaining time up to 20, again it will be off. Okay. So for testing purpose I am using less time. Practically you can use more time. Okay. If you have any experience with this type of functionality or automation for the stairway lighting switch, share with us how is your experience or how you implemented this type of logic in your application. PLC is used or not, or some other small controller is used. We can also use without the controller also. Okay, share with us through the comment section. Thank you.